As of now, we have discussed question paper pattern and strategy of study plan, and later we have discussed this syllabus. Now we will start the very first chapter, that is atomic structure and chemical bonding. So both these topics are included in one unit, that is unit 1, atomic structure and chemical bonding. So what all we will study, what are the topics that are included in atomic structure and chemical bonding are, the very first one is fundamental particles of atom. What are the fundamental particles of atom? We will study the fundamental particles. What are they? Proton, electron and neutron. So we will study about the proton, electron, neutron. What are the charges? What are the masses that are associated with proton, electron, neutron? And next we will study Bohr's atomic theory. Bohr explained the structure of atom. So in this Bohr's atomic theory, we will study the structure of atom according to the Niels Bohr. He is a scientist. And then we will study the quantum numbers in this chapter. Quantum numbers are 4, that is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. These quantum numbers are used to locate the position of electron in the atom. So these 4 quantum numbers, principal quantum number is denoted by N, azimuthal quantum number is denoted by L, magnetic quantum number is denoted by M, and the spin quantum number is denoted by S. So these 4 quantum numbers are used to locate the position of the electron. That is the main important thing with the quantum numbers. Why the quantum numbers are useful? They are useful to locate the position of electron. It is present in first orbit or second orbit or third orbit. That is explained by the principal quantum number. If it is present in the second orbit, whether it is present in s orbital or p orbital, that is denoted by L. Like that. So all these quantum numbers are useful to locate the exact position of electron in the atom. Next, theories of electronic configuration. So there are 3 theories of electronic configuration. What these theories of electronic configuration will do means it will make us to write the electronic configuration of the elements. So we have to write the electronic configurations of the elements following these 3 theories. What are they? Hund's rule, Pauli's exclusion principle, and half-bow principle. Half-bow principle. So these are the theories which are used for the writing of electronic configuration. We should follow these 3 theories and should write the electronic configuration. We should not write the electronic configuration as per our wish. And next, coming to the electronic configurations of the elements from atomic number 1 to 30. So in your syllabus, you need to write the electronic configurations from 1 to 30, that is from hydrogen to zinc. The atomic number 1 is what? Of hydrogen. Atomic number 1 is of hydrogen, and zinc is having how much atomic number? 30. You should have to practice the atomic numbers of the elements from hydrogen to zinc, that is 1 from 30. And next you should also study the shapes of the orbitals, that is s orbital, p orbital and d orbital. And after that you need to go for the chemical bonding. In chemical bonding we will study what is the definition of chemical bonding and what is octet rule. Okay, and then later we will study the types of chemical bonds. We have how many types of chemical bonds? 3 types of chemical bonds. One is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond, and third one is coordinate covalent bond. So mainly we have 3 types of bonds. One is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond, third one is coordinate covalent bond. So in these types of bonds we will study the definition of these 3 bonds and how these 3 bonds are formed and what are the examples of the each bond. So here for ionic bond we will study the examples NaCl and NgCl2. Between Na and Cl there will be the bond, that is ionic bond. Between Mg and Cl the bond is ionic bond. For covalent bond we will study the examples O2 oxygen, N2 nitrogen, H2 hydrogen. Okay, the bond present between oxygen and oxygen atom in the oxygen molecule is what bond? Covalent bond. Between nitrogen and nitrogen is also what bond is present? Covalent bond. Between hydrogen and hydrogen is also what bond is present? Covalent bond. Okay, and examples of coordinate covalent bond is NH4 plus. And also we will study one more example for the coordinate covalent bond, that is NH3 and BF3. Between NH3 and BF3 there is a bond present, that bond is a coordinate covalent bond. So in detail we will study at this particular topic, but I am telling briefly about this. Okay, so these are the topics which are included in the atomic structure. We will study each topic one by one in depth. Okay.